What's going on, MTA squad? I'm back with another video. But before I get started, run our intro. Okay guys, so I'm back with another video. Today is gonna be a cooking vlog. I'm off work today. My oldest son is really sick. So I thought I'd bring you along on what I'm gonna cook today. So today I think I'm gonna cook some lasagna, salad, and garlic bread. So I need to go to the store and I need to get everything I need to cook. Plus I need to get some soup for my son. He's not doing good. Like I said, he's home from school. He's feeling really sick. So I think I'm gonna get him some tomato soup. So I'm gonna bring you along on this vlog today of me shopping and going to get everything I need to cook dinner today and get stuff for the house and also get some stuff for Justin because he's feeling sick. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just pulled up to Walmart. I'm about to go in the store and start shopping. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and shop for dinner for tonight and dinner for tomorrow, and also get some soup for Justin and maybe some crackers to go with it, maybe some more orange juice. So come along with me. So guys, back and I'm still at Walmart. So let me just show you what I have so far. I have some juice. Got a couple of snacks for the boys. I got my let me turn it around. Garlic bread stick, lasagna, ground turkey, my ragu, got avocado cheese, some cheddar cheese, parmesan. So I'm trying a new salad dressing and this is what I got. So we're gonna see how that is. What you guys know about Kool-Aid. So I got the Kool-Aid. I'm still shopping, so stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm back at home. I'm kind of wild. I was planning on going to the store and just getting things for dinner for today and some soup for Justin, but as you can see, I'm gonna show you. I think I went a little too overboard, but I think I did good too. I also went and got some stuff for dinner for tomorrow, a couple of snacks, some lunch meat for lunch for Shannon, and a couple of more things. So let me show you what I got. So I got my 3 cheese for my lasagna. I got the ground turkey. I got some, what is it, key lime pie, the chips, lasagna. I wanted to also try these breadsticks, so I got that. Just a couple of little snacks, as you can see. I don't know if you guys tried this. This is the bomb. Oh my God, it's so good. Got my lasagna, some crackers for Justin because he's not feeling good. A cream mushroom. Got some butter, some lunch meat, some orange juice for Justin, some juice, and just that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a cooking vlog today. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Like I said, I'm gonna be making some lasagna, garlic bread, cheese sticks, and salad. So stay tuned.
20 minutes later.
Okay, MTA squad, so I'm back. So I just finished making lunch for him. He requested tomato soup and a cheese toast sandwich. So let me show you what I did for him. Okay, so here's his tomato soup and his cheese toast. And I also bought some club crackers for him.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so it's a little later on the day. I think it's about 5:39, so I'm about to get started with dinner. As I told you, Justin was sick today, so I stayed home with him. The boys are at school, but they're back. Say hi, boys.
Hi.
Say what's up to our MTA family.
What's up, MTA squad?
So, like I told you earlier, we're gonna be cooking lasagna. My family loves lasagna. Usually, Shannon makes it. Shannon usually makes the lasagna, and I really don't cook lasagna, but I'm a good cook. The kids love what I cook, so today I said I'm a cook. We haven't had it in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna set my oven to 350. Shannon just asked me, did I tell my husband I'm making lasagna? No, I didn't tell him because this is his favorite. He's gonna be so excited when he get home, so no, he doesn't know I'm making it. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the ground turkey in here. So the next thing we're gonna go ahead and start doing, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the lasagna. So we're gonna get so the pan I'm gonna be using is gonna be a glass pan, one of these. I love this pan because it's non-stick. You don't have to put no sticking spray or Pam in it or anything. You just cook right away in it. It is 6:10, so 7:10. We're gonna check back, and then we're gonna go ahead start the next meal. So next, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna go ahead and wash all the dishes and straighten up. Then I'm gonna come back within maybe 30 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and start the Caesar salad and the cheese dinner rolls, is they called? Cheese sticks, something like that. Yeah. I'll show you when I come back. So we'll be back in 30. Okay guys, so we're back. Dinner is officially done. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you our food. And first I want to show you what I also made on the side. I'm gonna show you. So these are the bread cheese sticks that I put in the oven. This is the bacon Caesar salad kit, which was so easy to make. I got the Parmesan cheese and I have the Parmesan Caesar. So We have the salad. We have the lasagna. And we have our breadsticks. That will be dinner. Thanks for coming along with me for my first cooking vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna do more cooking vlogs. Thank you for watching today and watching my cooking vlog today and coming along with me while I cook lasagna and go grocery shopping. We will be doing more vlogs, more reactions, and maybe a couple of pranks. We don't know yet. But until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.
Dress it up and make it real for me.